they call the animals. They're quite a funny bunch. Some like to creep and crawl, and others like to crunch. Some run so very fast, they're really quite a show, while others like to bask and hover high and low. Weird and funny animals, they're different everywhere you go. Weird and funny animals from head to toe.
In nature, only mammals nurse their young. And the little grizzly bear at the breast of his mom has a choice of nipples. Baby elk are often twins, if not triplets, and they have to share their mother's nipples. But when you're in a big family, well, it's not easy to get your share. No, getting your milk from mom can be pretty difficult. Consider the sea lion. The babies practically have to do circus tricks to get any. And elephants. It's good that they travel in the middle of a herd, well protected. The only thing is they have to wait until every elephant stops before they can get any milk. Sometimes there are surprises. Tasmanian devils are known to be mean and quick-tempered, but when they nurse, it's tranquility itself. Not like jackals, who have to be cautious because they're so greedy and their yapping could attract hyenas. Sometimes the babies are so piggish they end up biting their mother. But for every animal, nursing is just a period in life, and it comes to an end, and that's called severance, when the baby begins to be an adolescent and gives up mom's milk forever. It's not always easy. Clever baby lemurs use all sorts of tricks, appearing to lick their mom's back. They're really finding a sneaky way to work their way around and find the nipples, hoping, well, maybe she won't notice. With macaque monkeys, severance is sometimes violent, and it's done in several steps. You have to understand it's over. You're a big monkey now. No, there's no point in dreaming about it. Of course, this frustration is calmed down with lots of tender, loving care. During the big migration of the canoes, those movements of massive herds across the plains of Masai Mara, the young ones have to be careful not to stray too far. If they lose contact with their mother, they find themselves suddenly all alone in the world, right there in the middle of the herd, because no other mother will give her milk to a baby canoe that is not hers. So a youngster can wander along, feeling abandoned, until happily he does find his very own mom in the herd. In the lion family, they're more sociable. A lion cub can invite a cousin in for a drink. That's right. Mother lions are generous to all the kids in her family, even if they are not her own. And the lion cubs, well, they're very happy about that. When it comes to bison, are they gluttons or just keeping each other clean? Is it that between feedings they lick each other's muzzles not to lose a drop? Well, everybody knows mom's milk is precious.